morning. Today I'm gonna take you around what I do during the day. Oh, my stomach feels like it's like caving in. You know, sometimes you just wake up and you're so hungry that like, the morning skinny. Who cares about the morning skinny? Like, my tummy literally feels like there's a hole inside of it right now. Anyways, it's currently 8 a.m. I wake up at like 8 a.m. every day. I'm trying to make an effort to wake up earlier because I feel like waking up early like starts your day and but also the sun beams through this window, like absolutely beams through this window at 8 a.m. every single morning. So that has been my alarm for the past like month or so. Not gonna lie, I really have to go to the bathroom. The book I just put on my toilet. This is at the 101 essays that'll change the way you think. Saw this on TikTok. I only read the first 2 pages. I mean, I think the idea behind this is really good. And I think that the words that they use in this are very basic to understand. So if you are trying to change your brain, because you know, it's not what we do that changes the world, it is who we become. So if you want to try to change your brain and change the way you think, I guess this could be a good one to start jumping into that stuff, but I think it's really easy to understand probably. All right, go to the gym. Do I want to wash my face? No, but I'm getting acne again because I'm not washing my face day and night. So we're gonna wash my face. I was like, you know what? I don't need to wash my face. Only after the gym was the only time I washed my face because I was like, I'm sweaty, but other than that, I don't need to wash my face. But then I got hella pimples the past like 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, past like 2 days, and I was like, what's happening? And then I stopped drinking so many Shirley Temples because I had too much sugar intake and my body hated me. That's where we're at. I have this package that I got yesterday that I want to open. Oh, it's from Marc Jacobs. Quick interruption. I know I talk about my spam account a lot, but today, the day that this video posted, is the first time I'm accepting spam account requests in 4 months, and it's the only day that I'm gonna be accepting again for another 4 months. So if you wanna go follow, go request to follow today and I'll accept it because I haven't accepted in 4 months. 4 months. So today's your chance. Wait, what? They've already sent me this, I thought. Okay, wait, no, I have this, but like not the intense version. They just sent me the perfume, but like the more fragrant version. Cute, let's smell it. Watch it, it's like smell like shit, and I'm like, oh, I have to wear this for the rest of the day. You know, it smells really good. It smells good. And they also gave me some pins. Thank you to Marc Jacobs for sending me this. Add it to my perfume collection. Bye. I remember seeing influencers get PR from Marc Jacobs all the time, and Marc Jacobs would never send it to me. And then they would always get invited to these Marc Jacobs events, but I would never get invited, and I would get FOMO. But look where we are now. It literally says, hi, Mai. That is so cute. Thank you to Marc Jacobs. And thank you to you for watching my videos, because if you didn't watch them, they would not know who I was. All right, I'm doing quads today, and I never, ever like hit like dominant, just like quads. I usually do glutes, but it's gonna kill me today. So we're gonna take pre-workout and an energy drink, and I know that y'all probably think I'm crazy and I'm gonna have a heart attack. Probably will one day, but this is stim free, so like this doesn't actually have caffeine in it. And then this also has green tea extract, so like it's not just like the shit that's in Red Bull and stuff like that. So it's not that bad for me, and this has no sugar in it, and then this also has no sugar in it. So like I think we're cruising. I used to dry scoop pre-workout, but then everyone told me I was literally gonna fucking like die from that. Now I mix it with a little bit of water, and also I noticed that pre-workout doesn't work as well anyways when you dry scoop. It works better when you like mix it with a liquid. I think it's because your body can absorb it better. I just put it in a cup with a little bit of water. This is my chase. This is like a shot and this is a chase. Cheers. And then Celsius. Celsius got the best energy drinks. I literally have 2 packages at my door that I need to open right now. They sent me. But I stock my fridge with Celsius because it's so good. And I drink it like every morning. And every time someone comes over, I make them try it because I'm like, yo, it's so good. And then everyone hops off like the Red Bull bandwagon and goes on Celsius because it's like, it tastes like juice, and it's like not good for you, but like it's like better than other energy drinks. I'm getting my brother to drive me to the gym because it's a 10-minute walk and it's like a 2-minute drive. I usually walk, but like I'm gonna have to walk back, so like might as well get him to drive since he's in town. Got my energy drink. Okay, see you later, Stinky. I'm gonna go check in. Currently sitting on the rooftop of my gym because I have a meeting at 10:30. It's 10:31. It's for my jewelry line, which by the time this video is out, it's launched. So if you want to buy it, link in bio. I got a meeting. Let's do it. Hi. How are you? Good, good. Just finished at the gym. All right, just finished the meeting. That was like 10 minutes long. We were just going over what I need to get done today for the photo shoot because I have a photo shoot for the line today, and then also other things behind the process such as picking like influencers to send things to. So I have to do that today, but we were just going over exactly what I need to do and before I shoot so that we know like the concept and stuff. But I'm really excited. I have a shoot with Andre today. I still haven't booked the studio or anything, so I still need to do that, but I'm gonna walk home now, change and everything. I need to go get my nails done for this shoot. Gotta take my daily vitamins. Got him. Healthy living. Sheesh. Boom! That's 15 grams of protein right there. I'm gonna try these BCAAs from Alani Nu. It's called Sour Peach Rings. I used to drink BCAAs all the time, but then I stopped because I kind of forgot about them. Let's do it. I'm gonna shower, journal, do my makeup, and then if I have time, I'll sit on my computer and do a little bit of work, but yeah. What is he doing? Why are you in that corner? All right, I literally just spent like the past hour sitting here doing a little bit of work, and then I also paid my water bill, my electricity bill. That shit was racking up. It was like 500 bucks because I haven't paid it in months, but I paid that. And then, oh, I also just sat down and I booked 3 lessons. So basically I want to go back to school. I've already talked about it, but like I booked a studio for tonight for the jewelry line, but I want to start basically going back to school, but on my own terms. So not actually going back to high school, but I want to start taking classes again because I feel like knowledge is so important. So I just booked a class for Spanish lessons, Indonesian lessons, and Vietnamese. So I have that starting Sunday. Spend an hour learning each language, and I want to do that like every other day and learn a new language and have classes set at like 10 a.m. So I go to the gym and then I go home and I do lessons, you know what I mean, where I'll learn. And then later I want to book piano lessons and vocal lessons. I used to do that a couple months ago, but then I stopped. I want to find a new teacher and do that as well, where they'll come in. So like I'll have like 3 hours, 4 hours out of my day to just learn. And I think that's gonna be so much fun because it's gonna be like I have a structured routine, right, that I have to do every single day, and then I have my fun afterwards. I think it'll be so good for me. So that's what I'm doing, and it's like literally 10 bucks a lesson for language. So I think it'd be so cool. I'm learning Spanish, Indonesian, and Vietnamese. I already know Vietnamese, but I want to like become better at it, and I don't know Indonesian or Spanish at all, so that'll be super fun. Anyways, it's currently 3:19. I'm going to get ready to go to my meeting. I kind of set up a folder of all the things that I need to show them at the meeting and stuff like that, so I'm kind of prepared for that. I spent all day yesterday designing and stuff, so I'm super excited, but I'm gonna try to look half decent because last time I was there I looked like shit. I mean, I don't really care, but at the same time, like I kind of want to look a little bit pretty. Okay, time is currently 5:43 and I've been in here for like an hour and 10 minutes now, but I have a shoot at 6 o'clock, but it's only like 5 minutes away, so still got time, but I'm working on something. I can't tell you guys yet because it's a long time coming, but you guys will see, but I can't tell you guys yet. Currently picking colors for this project. I can't wait for y'all to see though. But I just ordered myself Chick-fil-A and Audrey Chick-fil-A because to the location of the studio, and then I also ordered press-on nails because I'm supposed to be shooting like my hands for the jewelry, but the thing is I don't have any nails on right now, so it looks ugly, but I just ordered those.
The next day.
Hi, all right, it's the next day. I was supposed to do the shoot that same day that I vlogged yesterday, but we didn't have time because I was working on the little project, but we rescheduled and now we're shooting. This is, I guess, a part 2 of a work day in my life. I'm with Andre, Mr. Your Friend Andre, and we're gonna shoot my jewelry. It drops August 20th. Actually, I think I'm gonna drop this video on August 20th. So the day that you're watching this video, my new jewelry line just dropped. You guys can shop it down in the link below, but you know we got the dragon. This comes in silver too. Don't worry, I got you. Comes in silver. We got the dragon necklace, the spider pearl ring, the spider earring, the dragon earring, the dagger earring. Cute! This is the fit. This shirt is from White Fox. I bought this like 3 years ago. And then these pants are thrifted. I don't know, they're like Zumba pants. I thought they were cool. Anyways, Andre's just, you know, setting up. Quick interruption again. I literally just launched this jewelry line today and my spam account members get 20% off. So if you go follow the spam account, there will be a code on there with 20% off. So go check that out. If you guys want to support me, please buy the jewelry that I literally have been wearing it every single day for the longest time and people have been asking and I'm so excited to finally drop it with you guys. I love you. Thank you. And if you can't support, that's fine. Just like comment or something. Like, you don't have to buy anything to support me. I love you. All right, we just finished the shoot. I'm in downtown LA though, and I saw some cute stores. So I want to shop because like I used to do this when I came here alone. And I found this crystal store. Hi. I'm currently shopping for plants right now. I stumbled across this. This is like right across from where I shot today and oh my god, I love plants and I've been meaning to get more but I never got the chance, but I'm like so in awe right now. I love doing things alone. Like this feels amazing. Like today is another perfect day and I keep having perfect days in a row and I'm like, it's literally, like, I'm just happy. I don't know. I just posted on Instagram. I've been spamming my story today, but people are loving it. I just posted the most fire Instagram pic like these. You better go like it. Like you can't see it, but go like it. Go comment, I like your dance. And if you comment, I like your dance, I'll like your comment. I'll check after I post this video. It's this picture right here. Y'all better spam, okay?
Your shitty ass Camaro.
Your ass legs because you don't even have a fucking car.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Yeah, my peanut sauce is better, but we're eating some salad rolls.
Listen, you didn't tell me your peanut sauce. Spring rolls.
When I say spring rolls, I'd say the deep fried ones.
Really? You don't like them?
These are salad rolls. The deep fried ones are spring rolls.
You don't like them?
I love them. Delicioso. Okay, so I just got back from eating pho. I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the market. I'll show you guys my plants in a second because I just set them up. But I'll show you guys my crystals. Ow. I got these 2 bookends and they're rose quartz. But you know, I gotta have bookends because I have a lot of books now, right? So you go boom on one end and then boom on another end. That's gorgeous, okay? Gotta clean it, there's dirt on it. And then we got crystals. So I got more because I want to make a crystal grid. I mean, I have all my crystals set up here, but there's like no crystal grid, so like it's not really doing much. So I bought more to make a crystal grid, right? Let me show you an example right now. Hi. Okay, so this is my little crystal grid. We have amethyst in the middle, carnelian or carnelian, and rose quartz on the outside. So this is my new crystal grid. I'm gonna have this on my nightstand. And then I also got 2 little crystal holders. One of them has carnelian in it, and this one has this green one that I don't even know what it is, but it's cute. I'm gonna buy a chain, put it on a necklace, call it a day. Then I also got this, which I'm gonna get a phone case and then I'm gonna put it on my phone. I'm gonna have a little, you know how girls have like those phone charms? Well, I took it to another level. I have amethyst on mine with chakras. So I'm gonna put it through the phone case and just have this heavy ass crystal hanging at all times. It's cute. Anyways, that's what I got. Let me show you my plants. My thing's about to die. Okay, so I got this one. This one's bamboo, really cute. I got this pot right here. I got this pot right here. And then I also got lavender, which I put in there. And then I got this really pretty one. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. And I also got a pot. And then I also got this really cute one. This is so unique with that pot. Instagram shout out of the day. Let's go to the Instagram comments. If you want to be Instagram shout out of the day, all you got to do is go follow my Instagram and be active and I may pick you. All right, Instagram shout out of the day goes to Salito_. She says that beat was a 10 out of 10. Heart eyes. It's because my caption was, I heard from a friend of a friend that was a 10 out of 10. Anyways, go follow my Instagram. I also have a spam account where I rant a lot on there and just complain about my life. So go follow my spam account if you want. It's at my spammy. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.